Hi guys and welcome to Thruzone.com. This is Mohit Soni. What you're looking at is the 2024 Yazdi Adventure, which has been updated a few months ago. We are at the Java 42 launch. They have the entire Classic Legends lineup here. So we thought we'll do a video about the Yazdi Adventure as well. We are seeing it for the very first time. And what this is a heavily revised version of the previous adventure. It gets a new Alpha 2 engine which makes 29 PS of power, and it also has a revised engine and gearbox. You've got these new decals here, and it's got you can mount a jerry cans here. This is newly designed, which looks kind of nice, really great. You've got these hand guards, no adjustable levers, adjustable you have this instrument cluster which is adjustable. We don't have the keys here, so I can't start it and show you. We've got a big bad USB port, C and A both. The very good switch gear, good quality all around in terms of fit finish. It seems just about fine. This switch gear is now making to more Java and Yazdi motorcycles, which is the highest quality I think you can find in this category. In terms of pricing, around 2 lakh rupees. The new seat, the white color, the fit finish and quality has improved quite a bit, and the ground clearance has been raised to 220 mm. You've got a new sump card here, which for increased protection. Have a look at what it looks like at the back. Nothing really much has changed on that side. We've got these very nice seats. Unfortunately, I haven't had time with the Yazdi Adventure here previously. I'm hoping to get my hands on this new one very quickly. At the same time, there is very little I can tell you apart from the fact that you have 4 colors to choose from. Pricing starts from 2,10,000 rupees, goes all the way till 220. So it is good value for money. It of course goes against the Himalayan Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 and the Triumph Scrambler also to a certain extent. So this is something that is noteworthy, definitely worth considering. Once I ride it, I'll tell you more about it. And first impressions of the bike, seeing it for the first time. Let me ride it and tell you more about it. Right now, I told you the pricing, the colors, the changes that have been made, the new engine that is heavily revised, the fit finish quality has taken up dramatic. It's gone up dramatically. It is a much better finished motorcycle in its price tag, and can't wait to spend some more time with this. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.